Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable Siri only for my voice. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you want to enable Siri only for your voice, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first thing I recommend you how to try to update your software to prevent any kind of issues. So simply open your settings app and here in settings, go to general, go to software update and you just have to try to update your software. If you find any kind of pending software update here, just try to update your software. After updating software, simply go back from here and go to Apple Intelligence and Siri option here. Just select that. And here you must have to try to enable this toggle which is Apple Intelligence. Then select talk and type to Siri. And here you have to select any option which is Siri or Hey Siri or just Hey Siri. So I recommend you have to select the first one for better results. And now here you just have to tap on the continue option to set up your Siri only for your voice. So you just have to try to speak these words or the lines written on your screen to help Siri to recognize your voice. And once you have done all the setup, Siri will be enabled only for your voice. So in this way, you can easily enable Siri only for your own voice. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.